Hi, I'm Audrey, and I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and most delicious meatball recipe that's simple enough to whip up on a weeknight. These meatballs take only 3 steps to make. We're going to start off by adding everything but the meat into our bowl. So we start with 2 eggs, breadcrumbs. The eggs and the breadcrumbs really help bind the meatballs together. And then some water for moisture. Gotta have onion for flavor. And Parmesan. Cannot have meatballs without Parmesan, in my opinion. Italian seasoning. And of course, garlic. This is freshly minced. So I'm gonna first combine that all together until we have a nice even paste. And once that's mixed, I can crumble on my 2 pounds of ground beef. This recipe is great because you can swap out any kind of meat you want, like turkey, pork. You can even make them vegetarian and add like Beyond Beef. So here we're gonna mix in our meat, but make sure that you don't over mix because we don't want our meatballs to be tough. So we just mix until everything looks evenly combined, and then we'll be ready to scoop. My mixture is all combined and I'm ready to start scooping the meatballs. So I have here 2 greased baking racks that are set inside of a rimmed baking sheet. This is gonna help catch all of those drips when the meatballs are baking in the oven. So this recipe makes about 48 1.5-inch meatballs. I have here this handy dandy 1.5-inch scoop that's gonna help me make sure that each meatball is the same size. But if you don't have a scoop, no sweat, you can totally eyeball them and they'll come out fine. So I'm gonna start scooping. I'm gonna get a scoop, level it off on the side of the bowl, and then scoop it into my hand. Roll it into a ball, and then place it on my baking rack. There's gonna be about 24 per each tray, and they're gonna be like 1 inch apart. So I'm just gonna keep scooping 48 times. Okay, so this is our last meatball. And now that they're all scooped, we're gonna bake them at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes until they're no longer pink or the inside registers 165 degrees. And just like that, you have a delicious bowl of meatballs, ready to use in your favorite dinner, like spaghetti, meatball sub, soup, pizza, whatever you want. You can even freeze them and save them for later. However you make them, this recipe is a winner.